Here we are showing a standard non-combo enclosed control unit and the kit required to field install a start-stop push button. We have the following part numbers: ECN 0501AAA and kit number C400GK3. Step 1 in installing the C400GK3 kit is to take the cover off and remove the blank cover plate. Turn the door over and press the blank cover plate out. Step 2 is to mount the external face of the kit into the vacated slot on the cover. Two screws will mount the external plate to the cover. A Phillips screwdriver will be required. Step 3 is to assemble the internal subassembly. Set the device with the buttons and wires in the mounting plate. Make sure the flat side of the mounting plate is flush with the wired device. There are two sets of 3 pattern holes on the mounting plate. Insert the wired device into the top set of holes. Install C-clamp to lock assembly in place. A flathead screwdriver may be helpful installing the clamp. Step 4 is to mount the internal subassembly onto the auxiliary contact of the starter. Wired device of the subassembly should be on the outside, closest to the side of the enclosure. Step 5. Feed the red wire into phase 1, that's L1, of the starter and screw down tight. Feed yellow wire into auxiliary contact 2 of 3 and screw down tight. Lastly, feed the black wire into auxiliary contact 3 of 4 and screw down tight. Tuck wires inside assembly. Mount cover on assembly and test push buttons to ensure alignment by depressing each button.